Change the oil with me on a 2010 Tacoma 4.0. Remove the filter, catch the oil that drains out, install the new filter. Spray it off with brake cleaner. Remove the drain plug. Pop off the old seal. Make sure you put a new gasket and washer on it. Tighten it up. Install new oil, half a quart there. The other jug's 5 quarts, 5.5 total. Next, check the oil, make sure you're good. Top off the fluids. Power steering, brake, coolant, all good. Get rid of our old oil, and now reset.